How to buy SMELT token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going out by this token, make sure to check their X account. Also check their Telegram channel. They include it on their X account. And keep following their update about this token. To be able to buy this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. Now, the first thing that you notice about this token, it's that it's increased by 4,000% in the last 24 hours. And the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. And it's mean that your investment in the safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Solana network. Now, the best wallet for that, it's Phantom Wallet. Now, open your Phantom Wallet, click on swap. Make sure, of course, that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here. Paste the token address as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you will receive. So this is it. So in the provider, select your provider from here, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issue, you can go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy SMELT token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.